Aloha everyone, it's Chef Reggie here with Aloha Shoyu, and today we'll be making a simple recipe of garlic fried rice with bacon, spam, the carrots and peas. We'll be utilizing oyster sauce, sesame oil, regular oil, and Aloha Shoyu's table shoyu. So no further ado, let's scramble our eggs. We have a hot pan here. Put some oil in there. We're just gonna scramble this real quick. You wanna really cook this real fast so it stays nice and yellow. So in the pan, we'll just scramble it. And once it's cooked, we're gonna take it out of the pan. And then we'll cook the bacon and the spam and the peas and carrots. So give this a little stir, break it apart. Alright, that should be good. Real quick and easy. Turn down the heat, put this on the side. Start with our, and now we'll start with our bacon. So we'll put in a little oil. So our bacon we already crisp up and diced. We'll just throw this in the pan. Give this a stir. And to this, we're going to add our spam. Alright. And we'll add our peas and carrots to the mixture. Kind of good. Bacon's cooked. Spam is already cooked. And at this time we want to take it out of the pan, put it on the side, because later we'll mix it all together with the rice and the garlic. So just give this a little shake, take it off the pan. All right. Now we're just gonna brown our garlic first. A little oil. And then we'll take our chopped garlic. This is garlic fried rice, so don't be shy with the garlic. Let's give it a little stir. Shake. You want to cook it a little until you reach a nice brown color. Not burnt, but golden brown. Alright, our garlic is looking good. It's looking kind of brown. You know, it's getting crisp a little bit. Slowly, you don't want to burn it. So we want to turn down the heat and then we'll add our rice to this mixture. So we have white rice here. We'll just add it to the pan. Oh, listen to that sizzle. Turn up the heat. You may Gonna stir it. Should we flip it? Yeah. So we wanna. All right. Work your arms, yeah. Let's do it again. Just gonna toss it. You can have little bits of garlic into your fried rice. All right, looking good. So now we're gonna add our oyster sauce to this mixture, to our rice, and a little bit of sesame oil to give it a flavor. And then we're gonna put Aloha Shoyu's original shoyu sauce. Okay, so we're gonna put oyster sauce. That looks like a 1/4 cup. And then let's give it a little sesame oil. Stir it up first. Alright, so we have the rice, we have the garlic, we have the oyster sauce and sesame oil in here. Now we'll be adding Aloha Shoyu's shoyu sauce. And it'll also help with the breakage of the rice. So it's not as clumpy as it is. So we're gonna add shoyu sauce to this. It also gives it a flavor and some color to the rice. So 1/4 cup. Give it a little stir. Okay. Rice. Gonna add a little bit of salt and white pepper. Okay. Just gonna give this a little stir. Yep. Wow. Alright, so to this, we're gonna add back all of our other ingredients. The bacon, the spam, the peas and carrots, and the egg will be last. Looking good. Alright, so we added our eggs to the rice mixture along with the bacon and the spam. And all we have to do now is just give it a stir. And give it some time for the rice to crisp up on the bottom. Okay, I want to break apart like this. Stir. Real nice. The colors are real nice. You got orange, you got green, yellow. That thing hot. Let's go. Right on, looks nice. Alright, now we're ready to plate. You can either plate it on a small plate like this. You know, one portion, or you can just put it all in a pan. But we're gonna plate it like this. Get everything. You got the bacon, you got the rice, spam, real local. And then with this, we'll just garnish it with a little green onion. Just like this, right on top. And there you have it.